dancing on the moon.
Alright. Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you're all doing better than you deserve. It's a Dave Ramsey thing, if you guys even know who that is. So I'm gonna be driving for the next few days. Just remember, this car stuff doesn't pay for itself. And all these people who are thinking we YouTubers make it look easy, I think a lot of you guys already know how much hard work and dedication and time management and effort it actually does take. So yeah, respect the process. And unfortunately, YouTube actually doesn't pay as much as some of you guys might think. YouTubers make most of their money off their merch and really just their personal brand. In terms of ad revenue, you'd have to be hitting like hundreds of thousands of views on your videos, which isn't my case. I'd have to be putting out a consistent amount of videos every single week just to be hitting those numbers. But luckily, I do have my freelance job, which is art commissions. So if some of you don't know, I came from art. I like to draw, and I made a business out of it by selling commissions using social media, mainly Instagram, when I had my old Instagram account. I'm actually still continuing the practice, but I kind of slowed down on that, and I'm just kind of working on it behind the scenes just to keep myself afloat, to pay for rent and also pay for groceries and keep gas in the tank. So if you guys are at all curious and want to see any of my work, you can follow me on my new Instagram account, Birdy. But I also have a DeviantArt called It's Birdy Art, and if you Google It's Birdy, you'll be able to find like everything. All of my cute Pokemon art to super realistic pencil portraitures. Some of this I have on my new Instagram, so you'll be able to see that if you follow me there. But since I will be busy doing art for the next few days, I'm gonna give you guys something a little different. So I was sifting through my phone yesterday and I came across these hidden treasure clips that I forgot to upload from my first time ever that I went to Japan. So we met up with Albo, met friends Kino and Yuki, and yeah, I was there with Jarek, my brother, Simon, and a photographer buddy, and we decided to just meet up with our friends in Gunma, which is like the farmland prefecture, so way different from the cities. Also found clips from this Liberty Walk event that happened at Mount Fuji, so I just decided to include everything that I found from my old phone on this video. This was super nostalgic for me. It just brought back so many memories. As a bonus feature, you now get to see those hidden phone clips. Enjoy. Ken, what are you doing in here?
What are you doing here?
Just kidding. Yo, we're exploring, guys.
It's free porn right now.
Hey, pretty much. Guys, don't think too badly of me. My brother brought us into here just to show us. Yo, check this. Gachapon machine for used panties. Would you like one?
No.
Would you like one? Just kidding, yo. Oh, crap, dude. I transfer.
No, how do you learn all that? That's a lot.
Can we do like a selfie here?
Let's get up. It's like overwhelming. Now we're just aimlessly walking around trying to find cool spots. For the most part, actually, anywhere is pretty cool looking.
We have no idea where we're going.
Yeah, we don't. Yo, good find, good find! Look at this, there's a bridge.
No, just take one quick one.
I don't even think it looks that good though. You have to be on the
Okay,
stairs.
then.
I don't think it looks good. Trust me.
Yo, that looks sick,
Yeah,
bro.
me and Birdy looks think it's okay. It's like left or right?
No, all what you do, dude, is just stand there with the smoke.
Yeah. Crazy, man. Nice to meet you. Awesome, man. No! Get out of here. Another car show in there, man. Oh. Yeah? This is regular. This is hype beast version. That on steroids. Fuck, dude. This full Varus has my spec details. This thing is badass, man. Oh, beautiful. So clean, man. Yeah, what's going on here?
そう、新宿のね、家賃が高いビル入って大丈夫かなと思いましたけど、これなら大丈夫かなと。
あ、それでもいらっしゃいますね。実はこれ史上最大のイベントというところで、史上を本当に多くしてもらう。これただ見るだけではなく、ぜひ皆さんに乗っていただきたいと、触っていただきたいというイベントなんでございますよ。その中であまりの多さにですね、乗れない人の方が非常に多くなっちゃって、朝の段階でもう決まっちゃってというところがちょっと残念だったんで。
Blitz! Yo, I've never seen this kit on an FRS before. Holy!
That's the Birdy 3, isn't it? What?
That is so clean! First time seeing it in person. Damn! That is aggressive as fudge! I really like the rear bumper though.
Rally factor slash.
It'll happen. That was a nice trip down memory lane. I tried to keep it as raw as I could. Sometimes editing takes me longer than it should because I'm super concerned about audio syncing and finding the right kind of music to fit that scenario or scene. See, what I learned from my parents, specifically my mom, how to be super observative, and then my dad, how to be a perfectionist, which I know is impossible. And I kind of heard a saying the other day is if you're aiming to be a perfect person, that's the wrong idea because then you'll have no one to relate to. So just be you. And actually it says it on our hats. Remember guys, there will never be another you. So just do you guys, whatever you guys have planned for yourself, or just be fine with whatever happens. Okay, so a few announcements before I end this video. Remember that we're gonna be having a drop at the end of January, so on the 29th. We'll be introducing 2 new cut-and-sews. One is hot pink with some black accents, and that's a pullover. And the other is gonna be this fluorescent yellow zip-up hoodie. And for any of our Filipino supporters, we're actually dropping this collab hoodie with Bad Bata. It's fairly reminiscent of the flag, but it also kind of reminds me of a superhero outfit. All of these are designed by yours truly. I take pride in designing, okay? Like, instead of calling myself the CEO or the owner of Kings Must Rise, the brand, I like to call myself the creative lead, because that's where my mainstay is, the art side of things, the actual physical aesthetic of something, a product. So those, a few shirts, this new shoulder bag design that I've been working on, and then just a whole bunch of stickers and new KMR accessories. So all new release on January 29, mark your calendars. All right. Yeah, I think that's it for this video. I got so much drawing to do still. So next few days, I'm just gonna crush these commissions, and then hopefully I can accept a few more in February, which is actually my birthday month, and also the 6th year anniversary of Kings Must Rise. So there's gonna be a big drop in February coming too. Lots to look forward to in 2021. Don't let it be a repeat of last year, because remember, you guys do have the choice. Okay, you can literally just, it's all about framing how you see things and in perspective. There's always 2 sides to the same coin, and then you can be on one side of the spectrum or the other, which is good or bad. You guys decide. Appreciate you guys for watching my videos, and we'll see you on the next vlog. Ciao.